Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Tap, Tap, the only practical back tap method on many Samsung phones. Once done, open Settings and grant accessibility access to the app so it can detect taps reliably. Make sure to allow overlay and notification permissions when Tap, Tap asks. Without these, detection and shortcut execution fail. This step sets the app to run in the background and respond to touch events on the back of the phone, which is why permissions are essential before configuring the gesture. Now you configure the gesture. Open Tap, Tap and pick Double Tap, most reliable or another trigger you prefer. Assign the action to take a screenshot. If unavailable, use the toggle or shell command option to call the system screenshot intent. Then adjust sensitivity and add exclusions for camera, maps, or when the screen is off to avoid false positives. Calibrating sensitivity accounts for cases and phone thickness, so make small tweaks and test after each change to find the sweet spot. Finish by testing the back tap in real scenarios, locked screen, while using apps and with your case on. If it fails, first reopen settings and regrant accessibility and overlay permissions, then disable battery optimization or put Tap on the whitelist so Samsung's Power Manager won't kill it. If problems persist, try alternative apps like One Hand Operation Plus or Good Lock modules that offer similar gestures. Remember, permissions and battery-exempt status are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.